That's the part that I bought, the sensor from Amazon. That's the actual part that arrived. Okay, this is the BLE, the sensor for the Model Y3, probably the same. I had a flat tire. I was driving on a flat tire, and it's messed up the sensor. It's probably here because the battery size is here. So I bought one aftermarket. I'm gonna send you the link, and I put it on the back wheel. Drive 5 minutes, no programming, no nothing. It recognizes it by itself, and it's been activated by itself. I didn't need any programming, anything. So that was for this wheel, and everything was good. That's it. The aftermarket one. And what I did, I apply some heat, take all the adhesive in the back just to see what's going on. So there's the battery, CR2450HR, 3 volt, Japan, Maxwell. So that's what's under the black silicone coating. That's it. BLE, no programming needed, just put it in, drive 5 minutes, 6 minutes, that's it.